Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ruchi Pundora. So in this video, I'm gonna teach how to download Node.js in your laptops. So open any browser. I'm using Edge. Type Node.js and hit enter. Now you can see the first link. It's the official website of Node.js. Click on it. Now you can see we have this button right here, Get Node.js. Click on it. Scroll down a bit. Here's our Windows installer. Click on it. It will automatically install your node in your system. Now open the file. Click on the next button. Accept the term and conditions. Click on next. This is the path where node will be installed, so no need to change it. Just click on next. Click the icons in the tree below to change the way features will be installed. You don't need to do anything. Just click on next. Now it says automatically install the necessary tools. So tick this checkbox and click on next. Now click on the install button. A pop-up will appear in your screen stating, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Click on yes. Now it says Node.js has been successfully installed. Click on finish. You can close this window. Now open your CMD, window R, type CMD. Now we are checking if Node is installed in our PC. So write node-version v. Now you can see Node is installed and the version number is this. This means Node is installed in your PC and you can use it now. I hope you understood how to install Node in your laptops. So this is it. Thanks for watching.